Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with the Carta Bella Spring Market Collection Kit. It is part of Polka Dot Mailbox's Deal of the Week, where you can buy 2 Echo Park collection kits and get a free Carta Bella kit of your choice. This is one of the kits that is available for free. So I'm going to use this kit to create a envelope tag flip. So that 3x4 cut apart sheet that I was showing you there is what I've used to cut 2 of the 3x4 cards, and I just fold it in half, and then I create a little pocket by sewing the edge. So here it's sewn as close as to the border as possible, and then I'm going to stick in a packet of tea into the little pocket, and it creates the absolute perfect little place to store a package of tea. The really brilliant thing about this as well is using washi tape to seal it. You just cut off the ends of the thread, and then the washi tape seals the thread as well as allows the recipient to be able to open the gift without wrecking the package. That way they could reuse it again, and they could put this on a layout or in a journal. They could use it as a little tuck spot or a pocket on one of their projects. So it's really nice to be able to do that. So I've created 5 different pockets here, all with a 3x4 cards, just cutting 2 and folding in half. And then I am going to create a envelope flip with this 1, 2, 3 punch board by WeR Memory Keepers. So I'm using a paper size of 6.5 square, and I am creating a envelope that's 3 by 4.5, and the punch guide was 2 3/4. So that's where I made the first punch, and then I just scored all the way around. Now I'm going to fold in all the edges and adhere it into place, and I've got a perfect little envelope to add my tea pocket. I'm going to create 5 of these, and I'm going to punch the corner of each of the envelopes, and then I'm going to put them all together to make a little flip. So the first thing I tried to use one of the stickers from the 12x12 sheet to adhere the envelope together, but they didn't actually hold it very well. So I tied this twine around the first one, and then I realized that washi was a good use here too to seal the envelope. So that's what I use on the rest of the envelopes to create a seal that can be opened easily, and then it doesn't actually create any damage to the envelope for the person to open it up. Here I'm using tags that I cut from one of the 12x12 pieces of paper, and I absolutely love this. It created such a nice focal point for each of these little pockets, and on the back there's some useful words as well that I cut out, and you can see those later on coming up. So here I've created 5 different envelopes. I've used my Heidi Swap Color Shine to sprinkle a little bit of gold on it, and then I just go ahead and I glue some of the tags to the front of each of these. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate all of the different packages here. And let me just mention, so this Carta Bella kit, this is the first time I've worked with Carta Bella's paper, and they are such a nice quality paper. They have a texture to them as well as a really nice weight to them. They feel very luxurious, and it made my entire project feel really luxurious, and I really like this line. And it's fun with the collection kits because it doesn't matter which one of the collection kits you're using. You could use any one of them to create a project like this because they have all the same sort of elements in each of the kits. So I go ahead and I put some enamel dots here to create another little layer of texture, and those are the words that I was talking about. So on the back of those tags that I've created is a bunch of words written in white on a black cardstock. So with some of the extra pieces that weren't used for tags, I actually fussy cut some of those little words. You can see them there, and then I go ahead and I adhere them where I need just a little visual image of that black, and I've used it on a number of different projects throughout this collection that I've been using. So this is the first project that I'm sharing with you. I've actually created some other things with this collection already. I am creating a Happy Mail package for one of my friends. We're doing a Easter swap and the theme is spring and floral. So I am using the Spring Market collection to create a Happy Mail. So I will share with you later on, once the recipient receives her package, I will send a video to share with you all so that everybody can see what I've created and all the other ways that I've used this collection. I've had a lot of fun with it and I've really made some spectacular things. So when I use the twine here to put the little topping on each of the tags, I did a number of different techniques to vary it up. Sometimes I tied a bow, sometimes a knot, sometimes I looped it through and created just a little topper. So it has a little bit of different interest, yet it carries the same consistency of materials used throughout. That little truck with the little flower truck there, I cut out from one of the border strips that came in the 12 by 12 paper. It was really easy to fussy cut out because it's a lot of straight lines and it adds just the right size of image that I needed. So they have in the sticker sheet a large truck that you can use as a sticker, but I decided to fussy cut this one so I could have a smaller version of that. So I'm really happy with the way that this project turned out. It would be a great gift for any tea lover. And again, you could use any one of the Carta Bella collections to create a project like this, or the Echo Park. They all have the same elements. Again, if you are interested in getting a kit like this for free, head on over to polkadotmailbox.com and check out all of the Echo Park kits where it's buy two and get one for free. So you use code BYOB, build your own bundle. And that offer is good until midnight on March 17th, 2019. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys coming by to see this project that I've created. We will hopefully see you again next time. If you haven't already subscribed to my video, we'd love to have you as part of the community. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.